video of the Sharpertek 8-station cleaning system with ultrasonics, passivation setup, and dry tanks. Fully automatic. This is called a downhill machine, which runs from this side left through the right side. Comes complete with a control box and in-feed and out-feed or unload and load tables, rotor, and these are fully automated systems. This is where the exit or unload system would be. Generators. This is a dry blower. Also the ventilation system for the acids. This machine has never been installed. It is brand new. If you have any questions, please call. In this particular system, the basket is part of the top of the tank, and you would insert your carrier or your inner basket inside this area here. And we have all the dimensions on our specifications. And then the entire lifting system here would move the item from tank to tank.